This is, walang ilaw. This is the pancit na luto ni Lola. Tapos laing. Oo. Papatulpo kita eh. Hindi ako kakain na.
Ayaw kumain?
Ayaw. Ang daming gulay. Hindi ko gusto ng gulay.
Ayan.
Subscribe na daw kayo, sabi daw ni Lola.
Ayan.
Tutulungan daw kayo, yung... Hindi ako kakain na. This is pancit with bread and I'm not gonna eat. Because we're waiting for the finished product. Look. Kailangan, hindi mo dyan ilalagay. Ilagay mo ng cup. Now we're making the sour lemonade cucumber. Look. It's greeny green. Let me try.
Tikman mo. Dagdagan mo.
It's super green and it's green. Let's taste it. The first one is for you. So yummy. Huh? Matamis na. Dinagdagan ko lang ng onte. The first one is for you. Yum. Look what wow. It's yummy. Juice. It's called daing. Now they're making. What is your ingredient to make rice? You put rice and then you put vinegar.
Yeah.
Ooh. It's currently cooking. Now let's check up on the juice. Let's get.
Tapos, magdala ka na lang dyan for stop.
Ayaw mo, dyan. O, lagyan kita.
Ayoko. Saan ito lalagay?
Ha? Hindi pa binabaliktad ko nga, hindi pa eh.
The juice is ready.
Baliktarin mo, tapos ilagay mo dyan sa lagayan. Sino lang ang tao nasan daw si Jeep eh?
Nasa shop. The first one is for you.
Matamis? Hinahinaan man ako eh. Ilinagay mo na uli yung isa. Ay nako, hindi pa luto. Si Bibi talaga sila namamadali.
Magbabay ka na, Lola.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.